check out the Hypershell X Ultra Exoskeleton. This is a pretty unique item. It is, well, we previously saw it on Kickstarter and it has had different editions at CES before, but it essentially helps you with mobility, be it hiking, climbing, or even walking. It said commuting was an option. So I tried it out on the stairs up there and it felt really interesting. It feels like wearing a brace because it does use your hips as an anchor, but the leg lifts really do lift your legs, and it feels a little bit like you're being puppeted, like a marionette, I would guess. I've never been a marionette, but it almost felt out of my control at points. I think if you learn to use it and know when to stop it, it's good. But I think I was being more compliant with it, so the locomotion just didn't end. I think with a little training, more than the 1 minute I took to walk around in it, it could have been really interesting. I think it could lift the load if you would be hiking outdoors or climbing stairs all day, or maybe doing strenuous physical activity at your work or recreation. I'm looking forward to seeing how this gets implemented and different ways that it could help people with different mobilities.